Who's adorable? Don't see. Marco, Bolo, Kevin. Kevin's, yeah.
How you doing there, fella? Want to meet my friend Nimbus? Or Stacy? Whichever. Hey there, fellas. How are you?
They still have their parts and pieces, so they're intact.
Oh, good. So I guess we'll afford or food, I mean. Okay.
What you doing? What you doing? No, this is Duncan and Noah.
Oh. Hey, Duncan and Noah.
And then over there is Mochaccino and...
Oh, I need everyone to wear name tags.
That's the way to go. Duncan and Noah, and watch that hand.
Where did you come from?
Me and Jack.
Tessa and Jag. Okay. I don't see Jag here, so I guess you must be Tessa. Oof. Horses are huge. No wonder people can ride them. Alright, thanks for the butt shot. Oh, here's the other one. Wanna come say hi? Alright. Oh, here you are. You're still checking me out, aren't you? I'm popular here. Yeah, you don't seem too scared of today, but I heard you're a scaredy cat. And this guy over here, been eating the whole time. Ow, you turned away when you had your nose through the fence. I wanted to show him that. Whoa, duckies. You got a big fella here. Or I was talking about the pig, though. Well, this is a good view. Couldn't turn this way for the camera. Thanks. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Well, I try. Oh, there it comes. Hey, Pushy. Scaring everybody away. Oh, yeah. She would have had a blast here. But she was tired and hot. Dog number 4. Alright. Well, this has been